In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Google Slides. Curved text isn't a built-in feature in Google Slides, but you can still create it using a simple workaround. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to add clean, professional-looking curved titles and labels to your slides. First, open your Google Slides presentation and go to the slide where you want the curved text to appear. It can be a blank slide or an existing one you're already working on. Make sure you've decided roughly where you want the curve to sit, because that will help with positioning later. Next, you'll need a tool that can create curved text for you. Since Google Slides doesn't do this natively, the easiest option is to use a free online text curve generator. Open a new browser tab and search for Curve Text Generator. Choose any reputable site that lets you type text. Pick a curve style, and then download the result as an image, ideally with a transparent background. Type the exact text you want to appear on your slide into that generator. Adjust the curve so it matches the style you're going for. A gentle arc works well for titles, while a tighter curve can be good for badges or circular logos. Take a moment to explore the font options, size, and letter spacing so it's easy to read and matches your slide's design. When you're happy with how it looks, download the curved text image. If there's an option for PNG with transparent background, choose that, because it will blend seamlessly into your slide. Now go back to Google Slides. At the top, click Insert, then Image, and select the option that lets you upload from your computer. Choose the curved text image you just downloaded. It will appear on your slide, and from here you can resize it by dragging the corners and move it into place by clicking and dragging. Spend a bit of time aligning your curved text with other elements on the slide. You can use the built-in alignment guides in Slides to center it or match it with shapes and images. If you need to adjust colors or fonts, just go back to the curve generator, tweak your settings, download a new version, and replace the image in your slide. That's all there is to it. With this simple workaround, you can add curved text to any Google Slides presentation and instantly make your designs more eye-catching and professional.